Alright guys, so if for any reason you want to download your account statement, follow this step that I want to drop now. To download your account statement, you open your Moniepoint business app, then log into your Moniepoint business app. Then you scroll down, look for statements. This is the statement here, that is what I just highlight. Click on statements, click on standard statements, then select date range. From date range you can select to the last 7 days, last 14 days, but if the date you need is not here, you just scroll down and click on custom, then input the date. Let me say last month 15 to this month 15. Okay, 15 is not here, from let me just select today as the present day. Then I prefer you download it in PDF format. That is what I just highlight. Click on the PDF, then click on this export. Getting your statement, please hold on. Your statement will take a while generating your statement. Okay, be sent to email when ready. Click on this option, then successful, your statement will be sent to your email shortly. After this, check your email address. You should get your account statement. Thank you.